Above the law, Steven Seagal uses martial arts to solve a conspiracy involving the CIA. Hard to kill. After a failed assassination, Ponytail Seagal commits genocide to the people that tried to kill him. Marked for death. Retired DEA agent returns to his hometown just to find out that he won't be retiring as it is now controlled by a Jamaican drug cartel. Out for justice. Steven Seagal commits yet another genocide against the people who killed his father. Under siege. A decorated Navy cook went on a rampage to protect his ship. On deadly ground. Green Tom Seagal destroy capitalistic oil company. Under Siege 2. Dark Territory. The train hijacking DLC for the first movie. The Glimmerman. Two detectives uses less than desirable methods to track down a killer. Fire Down Below. Yet another Green Thumb Steven Seagal movie where he fights capitalism. This time, it is a mining company. The Patriot. Doctor uses violence to find a cure for a virus. Exit Wounds. A cop disgraced for violating human rights discovered his fellow officers are into drug trafficking, so he went on a murder spree. Half Past Dead. Obese Seagal slips through a high-tech prison using plot holes. Out of reach. Steven Seagal, who is 54 at the time, supposedly saved a young girl from a human trafficking ring. Into the Sun. The US government depended on a man pushing in his late 50s to stop a Yakuza gang war in Tokyo. Submerge. The world's greatest mercenary rescue hijack nuclear submarine and fight off mind-controlling thugs. Black Dawn. Steven Seagal uses violence to stop a terrorist attack. Urban Justice. Steven Seagal does Steven Seagal things to the gangsters that killed his son. Pistol Whip. A corrupt police officer with drinking and gambling problems agreed to kill politicians. Probably his most realistic role ever. A Dangerous Man. A psychopath released from prison commits genocide. Force of Execution. Crime lord commits crime against his rivals.